Oh, someone asked if we have any more board books in the works, and that was apparently pushed to stream. We're always working on new things. Okay, I can give you a more detailed answer on that one. I am supposed to be. Technically, there is a spreadsheet for it. Um, I can show you the progress I've made so far if you'd like. Book. Let's try book. Kid book ideas and themes. Here we go. So hopefully I'm not showing anything too. Oh, well here's kind of a fun behind the scenes. This was different themes that we discussed for the first ABC book. Electronics, so alternating current, binary, circuit board, DRAM, earth, ground, or electricity, IT, ASIC, BIOS, cache. We thought that one was kind of cool. Mobile, general technology, more developer oriented. So there were a lot of different kind of themes that we discussed. Retro gaming. We were worried about, for example, worried about trademark infringement and stuff like that. We wanted something that we could keep really generic. So here are a bunch of different things that didn't make it into the gaming one. A is for anti-aliasing, or AFK. B is for bump map. C is for chroma subsampling. D is for DirectX, so that was a trademark potential issue, or D-pad. I think D-pad is what we ended up with. E is for eye tracking, experience points, Easter egg. Easter egg would have been a fun one. So here's kind of R is for ray tracing, RGB, render, lots of different ideas that we had. Here's what's supposed to be the next one, counting computers. So this is as far as I've gotten. Clearly not as much progress as I made on the ABC book. Something about how, there's a typo, how computers are all around us, and anything that computes is a computer, then all the pages are counting different computers. Yep, that's it. That's my progress so far for counting computers. Someday I will actually write it. The stupid thing is it doesn't even take me that long to write this kind of stuff. Like little rhyming couplets will always come pretty easily for me. But I just haven't had time. It's just been so many other things to do. It's tough. It's tough. LSR asks, oh shoot, no, that's embargoed. LSR, I cannot answer your question. Linus, the only author to write books in Excel. Okay, now hold on a second. Did I actually? I don't think I actually wrote it here in it. And it's not Excel, it's Google Sheets. Oh wait. I did. Yep. I did actually write the book in a spreadsheet. So these were the the top 3 candidates for every letter. And actually there's some draft copy in here. You can see that I'm just like working on rhymes, run, sun, ton, one, bun, done, fun. The skybox darkens, Foley fades. I obviously didn't come up with something for that. Hit the hay, recharge for another day. Tomorrow's your greatest adventure yet. Okay, little gamer, story's done. Get some sleep, my little one. Oh yeah, that was not a bad one, but then I decided to do a 2-line one for the last one. If you need help to beat the boss, use this. Avoid another loss. That was alternate copy for W is for walkthrough. Actually, a lot of them probably have, and it's for NPCs. Rewards for armor. Some say they're lazy. I don't mind. The lazy stuff will give you stuff. Oh, yeah, so you can tell why that didn't make it.
Thanks, I'm a flanker.
Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's really fun to work on this kind of stuff for me. B is for buttons. Now that the machine is fed, can you touch the one that's red? I settled on pushing these is fun to do. Can you touch the one that's blue? I got Nick's feedback for a lot of this, just like, hey, which one do you think is the best? Stuff like that.